Well, one of the many things we've really noticed coming out of the pandemic, more people are riding bikes as an alternative to maybe public transportation or just because they want to get outside and stay physically active. May is National Bike Safety Month, and health experts are highlighting the measures we all need to take to avoid injury in our HealthCast today. It's become a routine for 13-year-old Andreas Rochelle strapping on that helmet before hopping on his bike. But last November, he skipped that first step when he went out for a ride around the block with friends, figuring he was safe on his quiet neighborhood streets.
He goes out for a ride. 15 or 20 minutes after, he calls my husband saying that he couldn't hear. He had fell and he couldn't hear.
Andreas had fallen off the bike and hit his head, a simple accident that led to an epidural hematoma, a potentially dangerous brain bleed. A matter of minutes from his fall to getting medical attention was critical for Andreas.
He had an epidural hematoma that grew quickly and needed emergency surgery to evacuate the blood.
It was a miracle that they did. They really did a miracle there.
Data shows that simply wearing a helmet can reduce the risk of serious bike-related injury by 85%. Also important, putting away those cell phones, taking off those earbuds, and obeying the rules of the road, something specialists at Broward Health's Pediatric ER routinely talk about with kids after a bike accident.
And they all speak to the kids about the accident itself and what safety measures they should have taken. We also have a helmet video that they need to watch before they leave the hospital if they came in from a bike accident not wearing one.
Andreas had to wait 6 months before riding his bike again, and now always wears that helmet, even for a ride around the block.
It's a good lesson for him. Happily is a lesson, only, happily. It's good, but I think he will never forget this.
I bet he won't. 800 people a year in the U.S. actually die from bike accidents, and the most serious injuries are to the head, making the helmet a vital part of your safety gear. Make sure it fits properly, of course, and if it is damaged in any way, you need to replace it.